Hey y'all, Ashley K here, and I'm back with another video. And I know I've been gone for a minute now, you guys, but I actually wanted to do some really core research on some things that I can offer you guys, whether it be money tips, whether it be getting your money right, money advice, whatever the case may be. Went away and kind of was doing some really good research on how I can help you guys make even more money and really stack up them coins. It's holiday season right now, and I know everybody is trying to make some money. If you are new here, hi, hello, my name is Ashley K. Welcome back to the channel. So glad to have you. I specialize in videos on money making tips, but most importantly, I also show you guys how to live your best budget friendly life. Okay, you guys, I get you guys all the way together on my channel. So if that's something you are interested in, be sure to subscribe to the channel, be sure to like this video up, and be sure to check out my other videos that I have featuring money making tips and everything like that. They will be linked in a playlist down below, and they'll be linked somewhere in the top cards. Okay, you guys, so now that we got that out the way, today's video is actually going to be something really interesting. I'm going to share a story time with you guys. I actually was at work when I found out about this job gem, okay, you guys, and I was working with a colleague of mine, and she actually got a job doing this, and it's actually a pretty cool job. Like, she kind of put me on to something really cool, and I want to go ahead and share it with you guys. And it's actually a job called crisis counseling. So now, with everything going on with COVID, sad to say that the mental health rates have been spiking really high all over the world because people are not having access to going outside. People cannot go outside anymore. There's so much restrictions happening day to day. There's so much crap going on, you guys, so that can mess with a person's mental health, which can be really hard for anybody. So a lot of people are reaching out to crisis counseling hotlines to get some type of help, some type of counseling done, and that's where you guys come in. It's called Crisis Counseling Jobs. So if you are a really good advice giver, if you're a really good listener, you may want to go ahead and put on your listening ears, because this may be the job for you. There's an influx of crisis counseling jobs that have been taken over. It's because people need more people to actually help and pay it forward. Okay, you guys, so if you are somebody that is a really good listener, if you're somebody that gives really good tips and advice on how to mellow someone out, if you're a person that is really good at diffusing situations, really calm, really cool, really mellow, this may be something you may want to check out. One thing I have been seeing from most of the crisis counseling jobs is that some of them do require you to have experience. So if you are a therapist that is out of work, if you are a counselor that is out of work, if that was your line of practice before, if you have some type of degree or anything like that, this may be the job for you, mainly because you already have the experience anyway, and you have the ability to work from your own home, which I think is really amazing, especially now in this state. We have no other choice but to work from home. So this is a great job for you to check out if you are out of work. But if you are someone like myself or someone like my colleague that does not have any experience in the counseling field, this can still work for you. Okay, you guys, they are offering entry level positions. Okay, entry level positions are entry levels, which means you don't have to have any type of experience, but you just have to have some type of skills when it comes to calming people down, when it comes to giving really good advice, some quality skills as to calming people down, some coping skills on how to deal with the conflict and how to deal with people's emotions. You can go ahead and check this out as well too. And you also have to be fluent in English language. If you are very proficient in English or English speaking, or even if you speak different languages, your profile can probably stand out amongst a lot of people that just speak one language. So that's one thing I think is really cool, is the fact that if you do speak multiple languages, you can also check this out as well too. Now, this crisis counseling job is also available in multiple cities. I actually tested this out. I went ahead and searched different cities in the United States and in Canada, and went ahead and looked up different cities that this could be offered, and a bunch of different options came up as well too, entry level positions and experience as well too. So you guys that are coming from different cities can check this out as well. They also offer shift work. So if you are a person that has a job and you're lucky to have a job in the daytime time right now and you just want to make some extra money at night, I was also seeing a lot of shift work being offered. So a lot of these crisis counseling jobs, a lot of them had night shifts where you would be able to stay online, stay on the hotline, and be working the hotline from probably 11 to 7 or 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. Like, they offer pretty legit shift work. So I thought that was pretty cool for somebody that already has a day job and wanted to make some extra money at nights, or vice versa. They do offer a lot of shift work and a lot of flexible schedules. They do work with your schedule, so I thought that was really awesome. And the pay is really good. Like, I was seeing upwards to 20 plus an hour just for having this job. Starting with entry level, I think it was about 15 an hour. So there's a bunch of different options you can go with these. And for just sitting at home answering phone calls, you guys, I think it's really good. But like I want to express to you guys, it is really hard because you will be dealing with people's mental health, and mental illness is a very serious thing. So you may want to go ahead and do your research before stepping into this. It does take a certain type of person to do this, but if you are a patient type of person, calming, always nice, always having a positive outlook on things, I think this is a really good job for you, and this could be a really good fit to make some extra money while staying at home. You don't have to leave the comfort of your house. You don't have to leave and go anywhere. They are working with you to work from home. But all you guys need to do is basically search on Indeed or any of this job searching, or even through Google. Just type in crisis counseling jobs. A bunch of these jobs are popping up right now as we speak, because they are looking for counselors to really help people through COVID. And this is your way of paying it forward and paying it back. If you are someone that always likes to help others, this is a great job match for you, because you're paying it forward and you're doing a good deed, but also it's helping you in return to get some of your bills. I mean, $20 an hour just for sitting at home and you don't have to leave your house. I mean, you guys, that's probably like $150 for an 8-hour shift, and you are making some pretty good money to be able to pay some of your bills, okay, you guys, without requiring any effort at all or minimal effort at all. So definitely go ahead and check this out. Like I said, all you guys have to do is just search in Google or any type of search engine just for this job, and you will go ahead and run into this job, and definitely check it out. Definitely read through what the requirements are, get familiar with what it's asking you, and then go from there, you guys. If you think it's a good match for you, definitely check it out. But I just wanted to drop this gem, you guys, before it gets overcrowded and you guys cannot find this job anymore. But definitely go ahead and check this out, you guys, and I will be trying to look for more gems and more job gems for you guys and dropping it on this channel. So definitely stay tuned for the more videos that I have to offer. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you are not already, okay? Follow me on my socials. It will be linked down below, and I'll see you guys next time.